In the next 3 minutes, I want to show you how you can double, triple, quadruple, or even make as much as 5 times the profits on your next affiliate promotion. And you can do it starting in the next 24 hours. And all without setting up any membership platforms, dealing with annoying tire kickers, or draining customers, or even maintaining and updating products and websites. Interested? I'm sure you are. Because this is the difference between some affiliates creating their own personal Fort Knox, while others don't even make enough to pay their cable bill. And we should know because our very own personal affiliate marketing efforts generate us more money in a month than some people make all year. So how do we do it? How do we and a handful of underground super affiliates rake in more money month in and month out with every promotion we do? And how do we double, triple, or even make as much as 5 times as other struggling affiliates do? Simple. We use the power of bonuses in our promotions, but not just any bonuses, not the kind you see slapped up on the page from your latest PLR rehashed site. Nope, our pages look like they were created by Michelangelo himself. And these pages can make all the difference in pushing your traffic away or sucking them into your promotions like a magnet on steroids. But creating these pages from scratch is the hard part. That is, until now. Introducing Commission Gorilla version 2. It's the #1 affiliate page builder online, hands down. With Commission Gorilla version 2, you'll be able to tap into the ultimate affiliate page builder and make more money faster with your affiliate promotions. When you get started today, you'll be able to take advantage of some incredible features. Features like the bonus library that gives you 4 different bonus block layouts to choose from and lets you build it from scratch or use the WYSIWYG editor. The bonus library also saves download access information to automatically build out your bonus delivery page. There's also the drag and drop promotion page builder. With our drag and drop interface, you can fully customize how your pages look, add video, graphics, call to action buttons, social sharing, text blocks, and more in minutes, all without ever touching a single line of code. Simply drop in your on-page elements, select bonuses from your library, and save the page. Make edits whenever you need, and the changes will instantly be reflected across all locations. And the second you finish editing, you can be the first to market and start promoting your page. We've built in Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn sharing options for you to use immediately for instant traffic. Also, as a time-saving feature, the software will automatically build a hosted bonus delivery page for you. Simply direct your buyers to this page and they can access their bonuses easily. And that's only a fraction of what you'll receive today. You can check the details below this video to see all of what Commission Gorilla version 2 can do and what you'll receive today when you sign up. But if you're thinking this is just another ordinary affiliate page builder, then think again, because there's absolutely no competition. Nothing even comes close. So if you're ready to stop banging your head against the wall and start seeing the results you know you deserve from your affiliate efforts, then go ahead and click the button below now to get started. And don't worry, because your purchase is 100% totally risk-free and covered by our money-back guarantee, which you can see below. Plus, you'll receive some incredible bonuses, which you can also see below just for investing in Commission Gorilla version 2 today. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and get access now and make up to 5 times more profits with your affiliate promotions starting in the next 24 hours. Go ahead and do it now.